Learn modal verbs with examples. Can. Ability, request. Examples. Number 1. Julie can swim. Number 2. Can I come with you? Could. Past ability, suggestion, future possibility. Examples. Number 1. Could I use your phone, please? Number 2. Julie could swim when she was young. May. Permission for future possibility. Examples. Number 1. May I borrow your pen? Number 2. He may come to our place. Might. Present or future possibility example. Example. We might win the trophy, but I doubt. Must. Necessity or obligation. Example. You must have an identity proof to enter in the room. Ought to. What's right and correct. Example. We might win the trophy, but I doubt. Shall. Offer or suggestion example. Examples. Number 1. Shall I help you? Number 2. Shall I call her? Should. Advice or uncertain prediction. Examples. Number 1. You should check it again. Number 2. He should give her a call. Will. Willingness, certain prediction or promise. Examples. Number 1. I will go to New York. Number 2. It will rain today. Would. Request, invitation or making arrangements. Examples. Number 1. Would you pass the pizza? Number 2. Would you prefer tea or coffee? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe ABC English official channel for more videos.